Hey, this is Steve with eXp Realty. I want to do a quick video covering home warranties. There's a lot of products out there in the market, and right behind me is the webpage for eXp's preferred partner, America's Preferred Home Warranty. Really, really good company. I've had, over the years, the 16, 17 years, I've had mixed feelings on home warranties. I really believe that it's dependent upon the customer, the house, and that sort of thing, depending on what's important in their comfort level, as whether or not I would suggest one. I do like this particular company in particular. What makes them stand out different than some of the other home warranty companies is basically you get to pick your own contractor rather than going with the vendor that they have to have. And then they pay for it after the fact. So that is a real big bonus as far as that goes. As far as warranties, you really need to know that depending on the house, if you're purchasing a brand new house, maybe not recommend it. But if you've got an older house and you go to do the inspection, let's say it's got older electrical, it's got some older appliances. The big ticket item is the HVAC, the air conditioner system. They're very expensive. So if you have an old one with the old Freon and everything now is the newer, totally different gas, different product, definitely something to look at. So basically you go under contract, you purchase the home, and then you have, within 30 days, you can add a warranty product. So this particular company, like the standard one, it covers your refrigerator, plumbing, electrical. Usually runs about $550 to $600 a year, and then there's a service call fee. Just depends on the plan, $75 on up to $150. But let's say the HVAC, a week after you close, that's the way it always works with me. If I buy something, it's always right after the warranty wears out or something. I always end up on the short end of the stick on that. Let's say the HVAC starts working. You've got a warranty now. You just call them up. You call in your contractor, have it fixed, and then you put the claim in, and it's paid for. So it's really a peace of mind. It's really good if you're selling a home as a seller to use as a tool. So let's say you have an older home with some of the concerns when you go to sell the house. We do a pre-inspection, and a lot of things come up that may be an issue that a buyer would like to have addressed. So what you do is you may possibly say, hey, look, the seller will offer our buyer a year or 2 years of a warranty so they feel comfortable that when they move into the home that, a year later that they're not going to have an issue with something, and they can have something taken care of and repaired. So I'm not a person that says, hey, a home warranty every time for every client. Every situation is different. But if you want to talk about this a little more, please feel free to reach out to me, email me, text me, what have you. I'd be more than happy to go over the do's and don'ts of it. And I hope you found this useful. Until next time, thanks. Take care.